Hi there. Are you ready to start building your website? It's now easier than ever. The main thing about our platform is that you can use our easy drag and drop builder to easily edit website content. All you need to do is move your mouse over the area in the content block that you want to edit, click into that area, then you can easily remove the text or easily modify the text. You can create links as well. You can link to other pages on the site, like the contact page, or you can add your own links. Now, it's really simple to style and customize the design. There are dozens of custom color schemes to choose from. With these color schemes, we're sure that you'll be able to find the right color match and color palette. All you do is simply point, select, and click. Now, you can also make changes to the fonts by choosing from dozens of font pairs. Now, as you mouse over each set of fonts, the system shows you a preview of how the font style will appear on your website. With this drag and drop builder, it's easy to customize the look and feel of your website. You can create beautiful and amazing designs because you have access to choose from dozens of our ready-made themes and menu designs to help you create a specific design for your target audience. Along with this, you can easily add content blocks. Now, the content blocks are separated into categories, and you can choose from any one of these categories. You can also add as many content blocks as you need. This will allow you to create the right design element for your website. Now, once you have added all the content blocks that you need, you can rearrange them by using our simple, smooth drag and drop builder. Once you've got the content blocks in the right place, you can then go into the content blocks and change the colors. You can update the images. You also have access to dozens of stock images, or you can upload your own images. It's the fastest and simplest way to build a website. Now, as you can see, this is a full do-it-yourself solution. You can create and manage your website yourself. You don't need to hire a professional. You also don't need any additional software. All you need to do is know how to use a computer and use the internet. Your browser is everything you need.